Today I'm here to share the Mosalogic Flying Insect Trap. This is a plug-in that you put in your wall outlet. I like this because you can get it in a 1 or a 2 pack, plus they sell the little sticker boards so you can always replace them. Mine came with 5 sticker boards, so this is going to last me hopefully for a little while, but it comes with an instruction manual so you can easily figure this thing out. But all you do is take off the sticker here, and then you'll see the arrows. That just shows you that those are going to be facing upward. Once you have the sticker off, just slide it into place and it kind of clicks in here at the bottom. As you can see, there is a little oval right above the plug, and that is also an additional little sticker that you can unpeel if you need a little extra help sticking it to your outlet. Once you've put it in your outlet, just click the little button on the side and that will power it on. There is a blue LED light, which is great for catching bugs, and I really like this right around my plant. It's great because once those little bugs start flying around that blue light, they're going to get stuck onto the pad. Additionally, there is a warm light, which is great to use as a night light. The third setting is a night light mode, and that will turn it on automatically once the lights go out. This UV bug light is going to be perfect for spring and summer, and I love how aesthetically pleasing it is.